Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can play on two Roblox accounts at the same time on the same device. For that you need to download Roblox from two different places. The first place you want to do it from your Microsoft Store. Go into the search icon and search for Microsoft Store and open up your Microsoft Store. Once you open up your Microsoft Store, you want to download Roblox from Microsoft. Let me show you how to do that. Once your Microsoft Store opens up at the top where it says search, you want to search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, your Roblox game will appear over here. Once it appears, click on it and download it. Now since I've already downloaded, it's going to show me open, but if you have not downloaded, it's going to show you install. So just download Roblox from over here and do not close your Microsoft Store now, alright? Once it's downloaded and installed from over here, minimize your Microsoft Store, and the next thing you want to do is go on Google. It doesn't matter if it's Google, you just need to go on a browser. And on your browser, you want to search for download Roblox. Search for download Roblox, click on Roblox download. Now click on download now, and Roblox installer will be downloaded. Once your Roblox installer is downloaded, open up your downloads folder. And from your downloads folder, just click on Roblox installer over here and install Roblox on your PC. Once you do that, you guys will be downloading two Roblox. One from browser, one from your Microsoft Store. Now what you need to do is the Roblox which you just downloaded from your browser, it's going to be displayed over here at the outside. You can double click on it and your Roblox will open up. And then after opening up the Roblox which you downloaded from your browser, open up your Microsoft Store and again click on play. Once you click on play, the Roblox which you downloaded from your Microsoft Store will open up as well. And by doing that, you will have two Robloxes running at the same time side by side, and you can log in into two different accounts, because if you log in into the same account, both of the one, Roblox will not allow you to play. Log in into two different accounts and you can play two different Roblox on the same device. So that's how we guys can achieve this. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.